Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the device and using the correct gesture. Swipe from the top right corner on modern devices or pull up from the bottom edge on older models. This action tells the system to present the control center. Make sure the screen is awake and not locked by a restriction like guided access. Once done, check settings to confirm control center is allowed on the lock screen and in apps, because those toggles control whether your swipe will succeed. Now you focus on the motion itself and why it matters. Use a firm, decisive swipe rather than a slow drag because the system distinguishes gestures by speed and vector. A quick horizontal or vertical motion registers reliably. If you use a thick case or screen protector, make sure your finger touches the exposed edge so the sensor sees the swipe. Once you practice a few times, the action becomes second nature, and the control center appears instantly when you need it. To finish, interact with toggles and then dismiss the control center by swiping down or tapping outside its area. This returns you quickly to whatever you were doing. If the gesture stops working despite enabled settings, restart the device to clear temporary input issues, because many gesture faults resolve after a reboot. Make sure to check accessibility options and install any pending OS updates if problems persist, since software bugs or modified gesture settings can block the control center from appearing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.